Welcome to Examify, our smart and secure online examination system. To begin, simply register by entering your name, email, password, and upload your admit card image for photo identification needed to match with your real-time face during registration. Once registered, the login page will open and you need to log in with your credentials, your email and password to access your personalized exam dashboard and get started with a seamless testing experience. Now, here you can see the dashboard. Simply click on Begin your test journey to proceed. You'll be taken to the recommendation page, which displays a variety of tests you can explore and even search based on your preferences. In the dashboard, you can view all your scores presented in a clear, visualized format with perfect segmentation, making your progress easy to track. The Conduct Exam page begins the test. Our system ensures integrity through online proctoring. Eye tracking detects suspicious movements, while a sound model monitors background voices and noises, both providing instant alerts, as shown here.
You have to practice, right?
After the exam ends, a confirmation page ensures your test has been submitted successfully. You can then log out, which will bring you back to the login page. And with that, we conclude this brief demonstration of Examify.